Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hello. Well, I hope you guys have a great day and also having a great time watching me while I want to try to give you a tutorial about how to measure of central tendency and also measure of variability in Microsoft Excel. And yeah, I will give you guys a quick tutorial how to do it. I will give you the easy way, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope you guys can understand. Okay, let me first share it. Okay, so here we have a bunch of data here in the column A. We have a bunch of data, and also we have a table here, and you can see on top of the table in the header there is x times f, x minus mean square, and f times x minus mean square. And also on the right there is mean, median, mode, range, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 2, interquartile, variance, and standard deviation. So yeah, the mean, median, mode is the central. Sorry, this is central tendency, and the range, quartile, and etc. It is the measure, the variability of the data. So yeah. So first, as you can see here, in the far right on the A column, there's a data, but it's not in order, And how to do it? How to arrange these data first? We can block all of the data. Clicked on the A, or maybe you can just like manually block all of the data by pressing shift and down arrow. You can also do that, and after you blocked all of the data, you can try to find this on the right. There is sort and filter. Click that, and there is sort from smallest to largest. It's going to be automatically sorted. Yeah. So that's how you sorted the data. And now next, how to put all of the data into into the table. First, again, we have to block all of the data again. We have to block all of the data. There's a 40 data here. And after that, you go to data, and then you go to data, and then you choose advanced. Okay, yes. Now for action, you can choose copy to another location, and copy to, you can just click this, the first table, the first row, the first table, and select unique record only. Okay, and the data will be automatically copied here. I'm sorry. No, it's wrong. Okay, no, it's doubled. Move it up. Okay. Resize this first. Okay, good. Now after all the data is here in the table, now we try to find the frequency from each number from the data. So again, after putting all of the data here, now we have to try to find the frequency. There's a simple way. There's a more simple way to try to how to put frequency from this data here into this table. Okay, so first click on this table on the F or frequency, and you type equals and count if. After that, you copy all of the data here from the left. Copy. Okay, after that, after you copy, and then you type semicolon, and then click the first number on the table here, and then enter. There you are. Okay, the frequency is already there. As you can see, it's perfect in order. And after that, we're gonna try to find x times f. Okay, well, this is easy. First, again with the formula equals. In Excel, we have to use equals in order to do the formula works. So equals. Click the x here, the first one, and then times. Okay, so in Excel, if you want a times number, you have to put star in the formula like that. Okay, after that, click on the F, on the first row on the F table, then enter, like that. 608. Yes, like that. Now, move to the next table. So there's mean. So we have to find the mean first before we can finish this table. So, okay. So, how to find mean? There's a simple way to how to find mean. Seperti biasa kita harus pakai sama dengan equals, and then we type average, and then we blocked all of the data here, all the number here on the left. We block that, and then voila, 75.85. It's so easy, right? If you know the formula, it is so easy in using Excel. Next, median. So median. Okay. After we find the man or mean, now we have to find. Well, we can try the median, but that's for later. Now we can go back to this. Okay, so it's x minus mean. So it's equals, and then we click the first row on the x table, and then minus is just minus, and then you click the mean, and don't forget, the mean, and don't forget you have to put the dollar between the what is it, the alphabet, so that the end result is, so it's the end result is right, so the Excel is not confused with the formula. So we just have to enter, and that's it for the x minus mean. Now we move on to the next table. Is x minus mean squared. So how to do it? Okay, so first we have to type equals sama dengan, dan kita tidak perlu harus mengulang, kita tidak harus mengurangi secara manual lagi, tidak harus kayak memasukkan lagi X dikurangin, tidak perlu, karena kita tinggal klik aja ini yang row F, terus dan kita kasih pangkat 2. Pangkat itu kita pakai ini, nah pakai itu deh, V gitu deh, saya nggak tahu namanya apa, dan V habis itu 2 atau square ya, and enter. That's it. 477.420. Blah, blah, blah. That's going to be a lot of numbers. That's how to find that. And next is f times x minus mean squared. So it is also easy. It's just we have to kita tinggal pencet sama dengan, klik sama dengan. Terus kita klik F-nya yang pertama. Kemudian kita kali hitung ukuran bintang. Kita kali, terus kita tinggal klik ini. Enter. Beres. Gampang bukan? Seperti itu, like that, just like that. So now, but as you can see at the bottom here, it's all empty, like all zero. The number is not right. Yeah. So to make that right, on this you just have to type equals and sum, and then we follow the numbers here, and enter. And after that, we don't have to do it one by one. We just have to. Yes, you see this green corner on the bottom, in a green box on the corner. That's until the black cross is appeared. Just drag it all over there, and then it's gonna be automated, updated, and rabbit otomatis. Bye. Okay, now time to move to median on the right here. It is not really tricky, but it's kind of tricky. But it's not. If you know the formula, it is not really that hard. Okay, so as usual with the equals, we type in median, and then we blocked this. Kita blok semua angka yang ada di sini, blok sampai bawah sampai 96, 96, and then enter. That's the median. Easy, right? It's easy, man. If you know the formula, it's easy. Again, the same with the mode. Equals, just type in mode, and then for mode, kita nggak ngeblok yang ini, tapi kita ngeblok lagi yang ke data yang banyak ini. We block all of them until 40 because there's 40 data. Nice, and then enter. Or the easy way is you just can see from here, like, which has the biggest frequency. That's the mode. What is the numbers that show up the most? Okay, now move to range. Okay, so range is from the table, the biggest number minus with the smallest number. So as usual, equals, we click 96 here, and then put minus, and then we click 54, and then enter. That's range. After we find the range, now we have to find the quartile. Here we have the quartile 1. How to find quartile? So as usual, we have to type equals, and then we type quartile. Quartile.exe, don't click the .inc, .txt, and so to make you guys a lot more easier, we can just click the A, and it's just automatically block all of the cell in the A array, and then type semicolon, and then type 1 because it's quartile 1, so we have to type 1, and then enter. That's it. Now for the quartiles 2, it's the same. All of them is the same for the quartile 1, 2, and 3. The difference is just after semicolon, you put 2. So you put the number after semicolon is in order, harus sesuai dengan kuartilnya. Kuartil 1, semicolon 1, kuartil 2, 2, kuartil 3, 3. Just like that. Enter, and then quartile 3, quartile 3, all of them, semicolon 3, and enter. Right, for each quartile, we just have to mengurangi kuartil 3 dan juga kuartil 1. So we just have to type equals quartile 3 minus quartile 1, and so that's it. We have 18. So yeah, that's how you find quartile and interquartile. Next, we have variant. Yes. There's a lot of ways to find variant, but I'm going to show the easy way. So equals, and then we click this, the total of the f times x minus mean squared, take that, and then slash or divided. In Excel, the prompt is slash. Just don't forget to put huruf buka. And then you type this, the total of the frequency, and then you minus 1, and then enter. There is the variant. And now for the standard deviation. For the standard deviation, it's easy. You just have to put equals, and then you type sqrt or square root, and then you put here this, and voila, that's it. That's how you find mean, median, mode, range, quartile, or to make it easy for you guys, that's how you find measure of central tendency and also variability. So we'll try to find all of this. Okay, I want to give you guys a little bonus. How to put all of this into a chart. Yeah. It's really simple. You just have to block all of this. You don't have to include the header and also the total. Just block all of this, and then you move into insert. You click insert and you click recommended charts, and you can choose whatever charts you want. There's a lot of charts. Well, I'm gonna use. I think which one? I think I'm gonna choose this. Yeah, and just okay. It automatically generated the charts. Oh, sorry, automatically generated. You can just move it here. So the number is not. So the chart is not blocking the number. We can we can change the styles here. I'm gonna make it black so it's easier to see. So yeah, that's how you um, measure central tendency and also variability. So I give you bonus to how to put all of this into a chart. I think that's it from me. I hope the tutorial that I gave you is really can help you in the future. Yeah. I'm sorry if there's some mistakes that I made while giving you guys the tutorial. And yeah, that's it from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.